A wonderful family. I live with my wonderful family in a small house near the city. My family is 5 people: my mom, my dad, my sister, my brother, and me. We always eat breakfast together before everyone goes to work or school. My parents work very hard every day to give us everything we need. Even when they are tired, they still smile and ask us how our day was. I feel safe and happy when I am at home with my family. On weekends, we like to spend time doing fun things as a family. Sometimes we go to the park and have a picnic with sandwiches and juice. Other times, we stay home, watch movies, and make popcorn in the kitchen. We also play games like cards or board games, and we always laugh a lot. My dad tells funny stories, and my mom makes delicious snacks for everyone. Those moments help us feel close and enjoy each other's company. Each person in my family has something special that makes them unique. My mom is kind and always helps us with schoolwork when we need it. My dad is strong and smart, and he knows how to fix many things in the house. My sister is very creative and loves to draw pictures and write short stories. My brother is younger than me, but he is very funny and makes us laugh all the time. Together, we are all different, but we love and respect one another. I am very thankful to have a family that loves and supports me every day. When I feel sad or have a problem, they are always there to help me. We talk about everything and try to understand how each person feels. Even if we make mistakes, we forgive each other and try to do better. I know that no matter what happens, my family will always be by my side. That is why I think my family is truly wonderful and special.